Here's exactly how you can cop drops on Pokémon Center every single time. Since I discovered this, I've been able to skip the queue and I've pretty much had a 100% success rate every single time buying from their site. Every time Pokémon Center drops a hot product, they'll usually put up a queue on their site. Yesterday's Black Bolt and White Flare drop had over 300,000 people waiting in line, meaning you could be in queue for hours. But if you have a Discord monitor tool like this that monitors restocks and drops, you're going to get notified as soon as the queue starts. That means you can usually skip the line and get in early before everyone else. It'll even give you a link straight to their site to check out. As you can see, right after the queue went live, you can see Black Bolt and White Flare dropped on their site. Honestly, using this has saved me a bunch of time. And as you can see, I was able to cop pretty much right after they dropped. And heaps of others in this community also had a bunch of success as well. Now, I'd recommend loading it on your phone as well using data and not Wi-Fi. That way, if anything goes wrong, you're still in early, and best case, you can cop twice.
Why PokeAlerts? The fastest restock and drop alerts for every Pokemon TCG product. Early access links before drops go live. Inside info from retailer sources. And it's priced lower than any group on the market with more benefits. Join thousands of collectors securing drops daily. The only channel I genuinely need to keep up with now is the important updates channel. I favorited that one. I've also favorited the success tab since I like seeing what members are landing when it comes to online purchases. Then there's the Target 10 Plus Restock channel. A new edition launched in June. Here's how it works. If Target restocks an item more than 10 times or reaches a total inventory of 10 plus units, this channel triggers an alert. That gives you a much stronger chance at securing a target drop when more stock is actually available compared to standard drops, which are often limited to just 1 or 2 units per store. You'll notice drops on Amazon, Best Buy, Sam's Club, Target, and Walmart tend to get claimed by bots. Almost wait a moment before joining the queue on mobile data. Shortly after word came through, the Prismatic ETB had dropped with direct links for the US, Canada, and UK. Dr. Apex and his team provide real-time guidance the moment members run into issues. Seeing unavailable? Wait a minute for the button to populate. And stay patient, the site is under heavy traffic. This is what sets PokeAlerts apart. A free Discord server simply isn't the same. PokeAlerts runs dedicated software that actively, let's take a look at what members are saying. Don't just take our word for it. One member says they've been able to score on Pokémon Center consistently since joining. Another calls PokeAlerts fantastic, the best group they've been part of. Someone else landed Pokémon Center drops multiple times, plus in-store wins. And another member says he's picked up plenty of items thanks to the app. Real results every day. Join PokeAlerts now.